Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with a quick weekly screencast video. I'd like to start out talking about week 11. As you probably have noticed, I moved some discussion board activity. Actually, I deleted the discussion board, allowing a little bit more time for the annotated bibliography this week. It's going to be due on Friday, December 1st. First draft of the literature review will be on Tuesday the 5th. Peer reviews on Friday the 8th. And then Sunday the 10th will be the final date that'll be due. And I'll talk later about some of that activity as we get to that particular assignments. All right. So the annotated bibliography is going to be due. I want to caution everybody. I have some people who are drifting outside of the topic structure for this particular review of literature. This is not an outside topic. The topic has to be motivated and come from either your cultural artifacts, essay topic, your artifact or your community that you talked about, or the review. The review website of multimedia genre that was performed prior. So I'm not entertaining anything that doesn't relate to that. It isn't a pick your topic type of an assignment. There's some really great, if you look around the discussion boards, say you've got some great topics of research and writing for the lit review from existing assignments. I've uploaded some examples of the annotated bibliographies. Some students did some really good work on their particular topics, which came out of either the cultural artifacts or the review assignment. So I just want to caution everybody on that particular criteria for that. All right. So if I get to the course units, get to the review of literature, the annotated bibliography is pretty straightforward assignment as far as I'm concerned. You've already found a couple of sources about your topic for the discussion board number 9 post. I'm hoping that yes, you can use those particular sources for some of the 4 to 6 that you need for the annotated bibliography. Now, once again, I've got some really great resources here. Chapter 14, sections 14.1, 2, and 14.4 talk about some of the good tips on how to write a annotated bibliography. We also have a Purdue OWL citation guide to create citations for that annotated bibliography. The research videos here, the Google research tips and the database searching are good resources for using the COD library site. And as we move through, there'll be a good video here on how to build a quote sandwich and 4 tips on writing a literature review. So let's get to the part 1 here, which is the annotated bibliography. It's, once again, coming out of your cultural artifact or your review topic, right? Audience or classmates in the community with a stake in your topic or issue. And you're going to start your annotated bibliography with an inquiry question. That's what you're looking to explore. Set up some keywords that you can use to search Google Scholar or the library databases there. I believe it's called Academic Search Ultimate now, through the COD library. And step 3 is you want to create citations and annotation. And it's important here for each source that I see a 3-part annotation, right? It's pretty clear here. I got an instructional video. I believe it's a little under 5 minutes about how to write an annotation. But I'm looking for 3 parts on this. Introduce the article and author. Explain why they're credible. Summarize the author's main argument and key supporting points, and then also respond. What do you find most interesting? How is it relevant to your topic? How will it help you answer that research question, right? So a 3-part process there. If we were just to take a quick look at an annotated bibliography, this particular annotated bibliography came out of a cultural artifact essay about how father passed along an electric guitar to a student, and it just started him on this lifelong journey of being a musician. So you see the research question here, and what you see here is a citation, annotation. Citation and notation. So you have to do this 4 to 6 times. This particular one has what, 3, 4 sources with some significant annotation. More you annotate and engage with your source, the easier it'll be for you to write the final literature review. So that's what's coming up this week. Let me get back to the schedule and the announcements here. So that will be due on Friday the 1st. So hopefully everybody should be able to put together that annotated bibliography. You will use those same sources once again to write the literature review. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.